The Makita XLC02ZB 18-volt LXT Cordless Vacuum is designed for those who want an efficient cleaning solution that doesn't compromise on power or convenience. At first glance, this vacuum stands out with its compact size, measuring just 18 3/4 inch long, which makes it highly portable and easy to maneuver. It's clear this vacuum was built with practicality in mind, delivering a robust performance that suits various tasks, from everyday messes to more demanding cleaning challenges. This vacuum uses an 18-volt 5.0-hour LXT Lithium-Ion battery, providing up to 33 minutes of continuous runtime on a full charge, which should give you plenty of time to tackle most jobs without the hassle of constant recharging. However, keep in mind the battery is sold separately, which means you'll need to factor that cost in if you don't already own one. While it's not the longest-lasting vacuum in its class, it strikes a solid balance between power and portability, especially for cordless vacuums. One of the key features of the Makita XLC02ZB is its redesigned floor nozzle. This design improvement enhances maneuverability, making it easier to navigate tight spaces and corners, a crucial feature when cleaning around furniture or in smaller areas. Whether you're dealing with dirt on hard floors or light debris on carpets, the nozzle helps ensure debris is efficiently picked up without leaving anything behind. The vacuum features a bagless 2-stage cloth filtration system. This is a great choice for users who prefer a cleaner, hassle-free experience when it comes to maintenance. The filtration system is designed to capture fine dust and debris, reducing the frequency with which the bin needs emptying. When it's time to dispose of the collected debris, the process is quick and easy, thanks to the bagless design. It's worth noting that this system is great for those who are looking for a vacuum that minimizes the cost and mess associated with disposable bags. With strong suction power, the Makita XLC02ZB cleans effectively across various surfaces. It handles both fine dust and larger debris with ease, performing well on hard floors and low-pile carpets. The strong suction ensures dirt is lifted efficiently, but it does require you to push a little harder on more textured surfaces like rugs. This vacuum is a solid performer when it comes to quick and efficient cleaning on flat surfaces. In terms of real-world use, this vacuum is easy to assemble and get started with. It's lightweight and fairly easy to handle, making it an excellent option for anyone who may struggle with heavier models. The compact design also means it won't take up much space for storage, which is ideal for those in smaller apartments or homes where closet space is limited. However, when it comes to cleaning pet hair, the Makita XLC02ZB might not be the best choice for those with multiple pets or long-haired animals. While it does a good job picking up dirt and debris, hair can occasionally get tangled in the brush roll, requiring a bit more attention. If pet hair is your main concern, you may want to look for a model with a tangle-free brush roll or specialized attachments for this purpose. Noise levels are another important factor for some users. While the Makita XLC02ZB isn't the quietest vacuum on the market, it's not overly loud either. The noise is comparable to most vacuums in this category, so it's unlikely to be a deal breaker unless you are especially sensitive to sound. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this vacuum. One of the standout strengths is its compact and ergonomic design. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and can be maneuvered into tight spaces without much effort. The battery life is also impressive for a cordless vacuum, offering up to 33 minutes of runtime, which is great for quick cleaning tasks around the house or office. The redesigned nozzle ensures efficient debris collection even in areas that are often difficult to reach. On the downside, the lack of a battery in the package might be a deal breaker for some buyers, as it adds an additional cost if you don't already own a compatible 18-volt LXT battery. While it performs well on most hard floors and low-pile carpets, it may not be the best choice for thick carpets or heavy-duty cleaning, as it lacks the extra power found in some larger, corded models. Additionally, the filtration system, while efficient for light cleaning, may not provide the level of fine dust removal needed for allergy sufferers or those with specific filtration needs. When it comes to value for money, the Makita XLC02ZB offers a reasonable trade-off. While it may not have the absolute power or features of larger corded vacuums, its portability, strong suction, and compact size make it a great choice for smaller spaces or quick cleanups. It's a solid vacuum for anyone who values convenience, but those looking for a vacuum that can handle heavy-duty cleaning tasks or homes with a lot of pet hair might want to consider other models. In comparison to other cordless vacuums in the same price range, such as the Dyson V7 or the Shark IonFlex 2X, the Makita XLC02ZB falls somewhere in the middle. While it doesn't have the same high-end features or advanced filtration of those models, it offers a decent balance of power, performance, and price. It also stands out with its ergonomic design and improved nozzle, making it more user-friendly for those with limited mobility or space. In terms of build quality, the Makita XLC02ZB feels solid, but it's definitely built with portability in mind. The plastics feel sturdy enough, though not as premium as some higher-end models. Maintenance is straightforward, with the dust bin being easy to empty, and the cloth filters can be cleaned, though they may need to be replaced after prolonged use. The overall construction is durable for regular use, but like any cordless vacuum, it's important to take care of the battery to ensure longevity. If you need customer support, Makita has a solid reputation for its after-sales service, offering a standard warranty with reasonable support response times. If you encounter any issues, the customer service team is generally responsive and helpful. For those considering an upgrade, it's important to note that this vacuum doesn't have any smart features or app connectivity, as it's focused purely on the core functionality of cleaning. If you're looking for something with more modern features like smart scheduling or app control, you may need to look at a more tech-savvy option. To sum it all up, the Makita XLC02ZB 18-volt LXT Cordless Vacuum is an excellent choice for people in need of a compact, lightweight vacuum for quick cleanups. It's perfect for those with small homes or apartments, especially if you need a vacuum that's easy to store and doesn't require much maintenance. However, if you need something with more power for deep cleaning, or a vacuum that handles pet hair without issue, you might want to explore other options. Regardless, for its price point and capabilities, the Makita XLC02ZB is a solid pick for the right user. Thanks for tuning in to Reviewsinsidetv. If you have any questions or experiences with the Makita XLC02ZB, drop them in the comments below. Goodbye till next time, and remember, your next cleanup might be just a click away.